Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact display model and the Rtings ICC variant for that panel. Accuracy matters. Next, download the ICC profile and any LUT or metadata Rtings provides so you have the correct calibration data. While those files download, install or update your GPU drivers and the profile management tool you'll use. Once done, close color-managed apps and make sure your operating system is set to allow custom profiles, so the next steps will apply cleanly. You now install the ICC by copying it to the System or User Color Profiles folder, depending on your OS. Then open Color Management or your Profile tool, select the physical monitor, and add and set the Rtings ICC as the default profile. Make sure to uncheck or remove older profiles that may conflict. Also disable any application-level color correction or GPU LUT overrides while testing, since those can alter results and mask whether the ICC is doing its job. You finish by verifying the profile with known test images. Inspect grayscale neutral, white point, gamma, and skin tones for obvious shifts. If you see gamut clipping or a color tint, revert to the native or previous profile immediately to avoid long-term color issues. Make sure the monitor's picture mode and hardware calibration are set to neutral. If problems persist, re-download the corrected ICC or apply the provided LUT. One key troubleshooting tip: disable any color management in your browser or video player to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.